Welcome back to Disruptors Unleashed, where we explore disruptive technologies and chat with trailblazers who are redefining industries. Previously, we took an exciting look at how virtual twins revolutionized agile manufacturing, enabling faster, high-tech production with Ron Watkins and Lillian Sadler from Dassault Systems. Today, we're venturing into a new frontier, how the same groundbreaking technology is transforming sustainability. From fostering collaboration to harnessing data-driven insights and circular practices, virtual twins are reshaping the way businesses tackle environmental challenges. Joining us to unpack this evolution are Morgan Zimmermann, CEO of NetVibes, and Philippine Descerclas, Chief Sustainability Officer.
Hello, we are here today with Philippine Descerclas, which is Group Chief Sustainability Officer at Dassault Systèmes. It's a great pleasure to have you here today and share with us some of the intersection between technology and sustainability challenges of our customers.
Well, thank you so much, Morgan, for having me today. I'm very happy to be discussing with you a little bit more how technologies and especially virtual twin experiences are paving the way for a more sustainable future.
Before we dive into the solution, let's talk about the current landscape. What are the key trends and challenges in sustainability that you have identified with customers and industries? How do we, Dassault Systèmes, are responding to all of these?
Yes, thank you, Morgan, for this question. I think one of the key trends that we're seeing today in the sustainability world is all the regulations that are ramping up all over the world and that are affecting all sectors of the economy and, of course, our customers. And along with these regulations, there is also the rising awareness and scrutiny of citizens all over the world. And also, of course, the simple facts. Just recently, the flooding in Dubai, winters in the month of May, drastic changes from one day to the other. So really, the climate disruption is becoming a reality and is pushing a new normal for everyone. So what this means for our customers is that we are seeing an increasing call for more circularity. Recycling, refurbishing, reusing, that's really becoming the new normal and the new foundations for our customers. And so what we are doing at Dassault Systèmes, we are doing more than merely adapting to these new trends. We really want to anticipate the needs of our customers. And so in face of this context, we are focusing this year on three main trends: biodiversity, circularity, and critical materials. These priorities guide our strategies and our innovations, and they allow us to help our customers accelerate their sustainable transformation.
Philippine, with those challenges in mind, can you tell us more about virtual twin experience? Can you explain what virtual twin experience stands for and how it helps companies tackle the challenges that you just positioned?
Well, Morgan, as you know, the virtual twin experience is unique on the market. It allows a holistic approach to really simulate and optimize from operations, products, and processes in a completely virtual environment. This capability, of course, is crucial to identify inefficiencies, to reduce the waste, and to integrate sustainability at a holistic level. In the end, it's about having data and insight to make a more informed decision to lead to more sustainable outcomes. And I think, speaking of more informed decision, you have a great example on Eco2Build project. Do you want to tell us more?
Yeah, absolutely. It's about delivering the right insight at the right place. But let me tell you more. If you think about a designer, what matters is can we provide contextual data points to the designers when he's doing the design so he actually understands the impact of his decision on the sustainability of his product. And by itself, that's already a major breakthrough because it means that you are empowering the users with understanding of the impact of his decision at the scale of sustainability impact. But if you think about it, we can go much further. Because what's complex is trade-offs. Trade-off between cost and sustainability. How do you ask a designer to do a trade-off between cost and sustainability? And what we are working on with Eco2Build is the ability to create new indexes that factors in multiple criteria, weight, cost, sustainability, so that we can guide the designer in these built-in trade-offs at the time of decision. I'm stuck talking about a designer because I'm picturing out someone working in CATIA, But if this is a requirement engineer, or if this is a quality engineer, or if this is a product manager, that's the same topic with a different elevation in terms of scale. So provide the right data points with more sophisticated indexes that factors in multiple criteria to automate the trade-off process at any stage within the construction of the product.
Well, that's really a game changer, Morgan.
Yeah, but that's a game changer because it's a very critical enabler that we are delivering through 3D Experience Platform. But the question is about people, because at the end of the day, how we empower them, how we change the mindset to make things happen is what matters. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, you're very right, because sustainability, for it to be able to scale, you really need to transform the company, and our customers are looking for a real tool to help transform their whole organization. And thanks to the 3D Experience Platform, we allow to democratize the access to powerful knowledge. So what you were referring to, data, knowledge, through the 3D Experience Platform, everyone has access to that data and knowledge, and that allows to empower individuals at all levels to participate in sustainability initiatives. And through this, we're enabling the customers to harness collective intelligence and creativity to overcome all the sustainability challenges.
What I'm hearing is globally, it's about transcending the silos of the organization. It's about, because the organization have been built before sustainability becomes so critical. And when I'm listening to you, I'm actually understanding that sustainability is going beyond decisions that have to be made in engineering, in product management, or in finance. And what you described is how 3D Experience Platform is enabling to transcend the limitations of the organizational silos to make things happen at the scale of the company. This is really great. I would love to hear more examples, practical examples with live customers of all of what we just said in action.
Of course. Well, one of this, as you know, transport and mobility still represent 28% of worldwide GHG emissions. And we've had a very good example from transport, a company working for the next generation of sustainable mobility. And they came to us to achieve design precision, ensuring passenger comfort and safety, and making highly informed decisions in a collaborative manner. What they had is they had engineers working on this very complex project in Asia, in North America, and in Europe. And thanks to the platform, they were able to collaborate and break down silos and bring the solution to market much faster than without the platform. But we also have success stories in the other sectors that we are working on. For instance, we have in Sanofi, we've been able to put forward through the 3D Experience Platform by connecting the manufacturing and the R&D, Sanofi has been able to reduce the time to market of their new vaccines from 1 month to just 7 days. Can you imagine?
That's a massive breakthrough. You are also working on breakthrough technology that is affecting infrastructure and cities. Can you tell us more?
Yes, of course, because as you know, providing clean energy and decarbonized energy to the world is a key challenge. And so in this context, we have Nerea, a company working on decarbonized energy, who came to us and who created a virtual twin for an extra small modular reactor. It's a very complex multi-system, including fluids and physical challenges, and they were able to do this virtual twin in less than 18 months, providing a huge breakthrough and a huge advance for decarbonized energy.
If we can affect the most important industries, such as transportation and mobility for sustainability, if we can affect infrastructure, and if we can affect life science, I think we can definitely have a great impact to the world.
Indeed, our solutions affect all sectors of the economy.
I've seen myself, I can share with you, I've seen myself an interesting example as well. That was in transportation and mobility. I've seen a company that was actually affected by the evolutions of cost of energy. And it was very interesting to start working with them on quantifying the impact of the volatility of the cost of energy on the product they are manufacturing. But what was even more interesting is that this volatility in terms of cost of energy has been driving many other questions. And indeed, for the very first time, they were starting to trigger how they wanted to handle the cost of energy along with the sustainability impact. And I had not seen that before, and it has become very profound in the way companies are starting to think.
Yes, so that was the first of a kind, but I'm sure there'll be others that will be looking for the same kind of solutions.
Absolutely. So thank you very much, Philippine. Your insights today have highlighted the critical role of technology in sustainability. As we look to the future, how does Dassault Systèmes, in your opinion, will plan to continue driving innovation in that space?
Well, I think what we've seen in our conversation today is that, and what's really important to keep in mind, is that we already have many solutions that are able to help accelerate the sustainable transformation in all sectors of the economy for our customers. And looking ahead, what we want is to keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with technology. For example, exploring application of AI and machine learning in sustainability and how it can enhance the already existing capabilities of the virtual twin experience. But let's not forget that what we've highlighted today also is that we already have solutions that are already available for our customers to accelerate their transformation. Actually, Morgan, I don't know if you know, but we have more than 400 solutions that have been certified by the EU taxonomy that help contribute to the transformation of our customers on their sustainability roadmap. So I think our main message today is that it's time for action.
Thank you very much. You know, when I'm listening to you, it makes me proud. Not proud of being working for a sustainable company, but proud of being working for a company that is capable of making aerospace, transportation and mobility, infrastructure and cities, industrial equipment, and all of the industry we serve more sustainable.
I agree, Morgan.
Thank you again very much, Philippine.
Well, thank you, Morgan, for having me. It was a great pleasure.
And see you soon again, along with our customers in every industry, every sector.
Thank you.
Disruptors Unleashed is produced by Dassault Systèmes. For more episodes, follow us on Apple, Podcasts, Spotify, Deezer, or wherever you listen to podcasts. To learn more about Dassault Systèmes, visit us at 3ds.com.